GuruNanda. Oh my gosh, I love their essential oils. This is actually their top 6 blends essential oil pack, but of course you can get them individually, but this is a great starter kit to just kind of explore each of their different offerings. I mean, they have Tranquil, Breathe Easy, Immunity, Relaxation, Harmony, and Calming Sleep. So you can try them all out, and I love that they come with this reusable magnetic storage box. How cool is that? I gravitate towards GuruNanda essential oils because they're therapeutic grade, 100% pure and natural essential oils, and I like that they are connected to different global farm alliances. So they are sustainably sourcing all of their herbs that they use and the plants that they use in their essential oil. It's all sustainably sourced, and so you know where it comes from, because you just want to be mindful about where these products are coming from, especially if you're going to be using them on your body. It's really important when selecting your essential oils to ensure that they are formulated by a certified aromatherapist, which GuruNanda is. And why I gravitate to them is because they list out very clearly what's in each of them, and so there's no surprise. Specifically this kit, I would recommend it for anyone who's just getting started with essential oils. It's nice to kind of get these. It comes in this little kit that's easy to travel with as well, and so anyone who's also just gotten a diffuser and they're not sure how to make their space smell a little bit more spa-like, a little bit more zen-like, I would recommend GuruNanda essential oils to you.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.